Alright everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to download torrents using the torrent software called uTorrent. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is hop on the internet and let's go to utorrent.com, and we want to download the free program. So you'll just want to go ahead and click there and just run it. Alright, and once it's ready to go, just going to hit next. No, I don't like entering any of this crap here, but you can. Next. Make it so it doesn't start on when the computer turns on. Next. Of course, I don't want your free stuff. Next. And let's uncheck all that garbage. And we'll let it install for a minute. Okay, once it's done installing, it's going to come up automatically. We're just going to go ahead and minimize that to start. So here's the icon that it puts on your desktop. It's uTorrent. Let me just go ahead and put that where I like to put it. And so let's open it up. Here's the this is just the application program. Don't worry about any of this crap that comes up. The first thing we want to do is go to Options. We'll go to Preferences. So we're just going to set your directories. So let's go to Directories. And what I like to do is I like to save everything in my Downloads folder. So basically we're going to set both of these options to the same place. So of course we're going to navigate to the desktop. I put mine. All my downloads are going to go into my download folder, select folder, and of course the same thing here, desktop. And then my downloads folder, but of course you can put it anywhere you want. So that's the first thing we're going to want to do. The second thing we're going to want to do is to get a little bit of speed out of it. Let's cap off our upload rate at about 100K. And these global maximum numbers, let's bump that up to 500. Bump this up to 150. And we'll leave the rest at that. So let's go ahead and apply. Okay. And we can actually go ahead and close this, and what will happen is it'll put it down here by the clock. So uTorrent's still running. So let's go ahead and open up the browser again, and let's go ahead and get started. So the browser, the uTorrent is just the software to download the files. You still need to go get the torrent file to download, and I'll show you how to do that. So a good place that I found to go is torrents.net, torrents.com. You just go here, and basically it's a search engine that searches all the main torrent trackers. So for example, I don't know, we want to download Lil Wayne. So there you go. It finds a whole bunch of them. So basically we just find what we want. Say I want the Carter 4 Deluxe. We see that it was uploaded 2 days ago. The size is 133 megs, and we've got a lot of seeders and leechers. The green numbers, you want a lot of green numbers. The more green numbers you have, the better speed you're going to get. So let's go ahead and click on that. And here's what I meant by it checks all trackers. So here you see, all main trackers that that are offering that torrent are here. Some good names are going to be the Pirate Bay, BT Junkie, Torrent Hound, BT Mon works sometimes. I've had luck with Torrent Reactor and Monova, but you'll get the rhythm. Some other ones are going to be Leet or Heat. Those are some pretty good trackers. But let's just go with BT Junkie. So we'll load that up, and here you go. It says download torrent. And just to show you, I'll show you what some of the other ones look like. The Pirate Bay. We'll say here, download this torrent. You never want to click this green one, but you'll click download this torrent. Let's see what the Torrent Hound looks like. Okay, Torrent Hound. You scroll down to the bottom and it says download torrent. So as you see there's every one of these has a place to actually download the torrent itself. So let's go back to BT Junkie and let's click download. Mine pops up down here, and I don't want to save it. I just want to open. And when it opens, it's going to open right into the uTorrent program. So just hit OK, and let's go over here. And as you see under torrents, it's downloading now. So it'll pick up Here is the the download speed, your upload speed, how long it'll take. I like to put my number of seeders and peers in here. Lets me know what the ratios are, and also I like to add the seeds, how many seeds I got to download from. So these are how many I'm connected to. That's how many is available. And as you see, the more number I connect to, the faster my internet speed is. So we're going to let that go for a minute until it completes. Alright, so we're pretty much done here. It'll complete out and it'll say seeding. One thing that I recommend, and I know the torrent world's going to hate me for this, I delete my seeds, and here's why. Call me stingy, but that's how you get caught. The more people you're seeding to, the more chances you have of getting caught. So I always delete my seeds when I'm done. So we'll go ahead and just close out of the browser. We can actually go to File and Exit, and yeah, I really want to exit. So as you see, it's not down here anymore. And of course, it's in my downloads folder. So we'll go here and download Little Wayne. And there you go. The full CD is in here. We'll just bring it up real quick. I don't have it installed, but anyway, it's here. And this is the full CD. But that's how I use my torrents. That's how we connect. And I think if you follow those steps, you'll be all right with it. Comment and request. Thanks.